Only 14 weeks left to go.
Too much!
Where is it gonna go? Homegirl sticks her finger in my and you literally look like Mrs. Claus. Bumpty. Gourmet. This is like a picture of what she looks like. I can't be held back. And an H for baby hainline. It's 5:30. I'm drinking my coffee, getting warm by the fireplace. Kind of like my morning routine every morning. I just help Sam pack his lunch. I drink my coffee, hang out with him. He gets a ride to work in the mornings. 5:33. I'm about to go back to bed. Morning. It's a vlog kind of day. Belly is out. Oh, big grape. Look at a big grape. I got like half ready. My hair is soaking wet still. But I'm starving. So I'm taking a little snack break. Let's see if I can catch this. These grapes are massive. Oh. I'm still gonna eat it. Boop. That was weak. I could do better. Dun dun da da. Alright, let me swallow this one first. Ready? If at first you don't dust yourself up and try again. Look at my hair. Today's a very busy day. Lots of content stuff to do. Not even 10 a.m. yet. My makeup is done. We are showered. We are tanned. Bed is made. Oh, I need a spray. Some bed spray. And today's Sunday. And guess what Sundays mean? Today I'm 26 weeks pregnant. Ah! Let me get my app. So baby's as big as an acorn squash. Only 14 weeks left to go. Oh, this is like a picture of what she looks like in the womb. She now weighs at least a full 2 pounds and can measure 14 plus inches long. 14 inches! This big of something is in me. Hello? Human in me. And I thought this was so freaking cute because baby's eyes are opening this week. Those little eyes which have been closed for the past few months so that the retina, the part of the eye that allows images to come into focus, could develop. But her eyes are beginning to open this week. Also, brainwave activity kicks in this week. And it says your baby is starting to feel a little bit cramped in your uterus. There's still plenty of space for her to grow. Don't worry. It just means that your tiny little gymnast will have less room for those somersaults, cartwheels, and other Olympic feats. Oh, that actually makes me sad because I swear she's gonna be a gymnast. She will literally do full body 360s. I swear she's like doing folds and back tucks, back handsprings. She's doing it all in there. She's gonna be my little gymnast. Guys, my belly's getting so big. I know you guys saw it already, but these are low-key underwear. They're Hanes. They look like shorts. But here's a little bump date. She is getting so big. Okay, I act like I don't have deadlines to do, so I need to get my work done. But first things first, I need to eat. I think I'm just gonna make some avocado toast, try to keep it a little healthy. I really have been just taking this pregnancy way too far and eating whatever I want, whenever I want. My first breakfast of the morning, because yes, I have 2 breakfasts. Usually every day. First breakfast of the morning was a bowl of Captain Crunch berries. So now I'll opt for a healthy version of breakfast, which would be avocado toast. Ta-da! That was a lot. Wow, just pure wow. Y'all. Did I just say y'all? I don't say y'all. Why did I just say y'all? I don't like that. I grew up in Pittsburgh, and in Pittsburgh they say yins, like Y-I-N-Z. And I don't say that anymore. I used to as a kid, but I haven't lived in Pittsburgh for a decade. Wait a second. 2 decades. Anyways, I bought this hat for Sam. Still have the tag on it. It's a Carhartt. It's cute. It's a nice little beanie, and I bought us, well, I bought it for him, and I bought him a flannel that I want him to wear on Thanksgiving because it's like all the Thanksgiving vibes and colors. Let me just go get it real quick and I'll show you. I love my Sammy, and he has so much potential to be so handsome. He just doesn't really exercise his clothes the right way, if you know what I mean. I bought him something I really don't think he's gonna wear, but I planned on buying myself the matching kind of outfit, and we could do matching, you know, I gotta get him ready for when the baby's here, because when the baby's here, we are doing matching everything, whether he wants to or not. So I figured we could do like a little matching Thanksgiving photo. He'll finally be off work, hopefully, and you guys will start seeing him in content again. Like, I swear people probably think I'm single, but I got him this orange colored short sleeve Carhartt. Everything's Carhartt. This is like workwear clothes, so it's like really good quality. And I feel like on Sammy, this isn't a color he really wears that much. My mom helped me pick it out too. We walked past it and we're both like, oh my gosh, that's a nice fit. And I got him this flannel. And it's extra, right? It's orange, like it's not his vibe at all, but like picture with the hat, this. And then I would also get the matching girls flannel. But I think I'm gonna take his hat because I kind of, no, not today. I am gonna get myself that same exact hat though. It is a gloomy day and all these trees were so pretty last week, but all the leaves fell and they're all bare now. All right, deode. No, I really need to clean the shower. Please don't look at it. I've been waiting till Sam's off work to clean the shower because he is filthy and it just gets dirty. So don't mind that. I normally love a male deodorant, but they just have so many like bad chemicals and stuff in it, and I'm not really supposed to have aluminum or parabens while being pregnant, so I've been using this healthy organic. The healthy deodorant, La Vanilla. Touch up the lips, overline them. I know this is the most, but it's a body spray and it doesn't stay on, especially in this windy climate. So I do like 4,000 spritz of that. Oh, this fell out just to tell me I need to get more bio oil. Do a quick little fit check and then we will be on our way. So I have this cropped sweater on from Shein and it does come down a little bit more. So the belly might peek out a little bit. I just do not like this belly button that I have going on while pregnant. Okay, so yeah, cute little cropped sweatshirt from Shein. I like the neckline. You know, just a simple basic. I have on my ride-wear leggings. These are literally essential while being pregnant, especially. They're just so comfy, so stretchy. They fit so good. And then I have on my boots. These are also from Shein. They're like a Doc Marten dupe. To spice the fit up, I was thinking about just adding a jacket. This is like my favorite jacket ever. I've worn it so much. It's from Windsor. Bubba, do you want to match Mama and wear your flannel? How cute is this flannel I got for him from Target? You want this? Yeah, so cute. Guys, look, we're practicing for baby. Ready? Lay them down, nice and gentle. I'm gonna be dressing a human in a couple months. I just think it's bizarre that Christmas is right around the corner and at Christmas I'll be 32 weeks. Time for the footsies. Pickle has been the perfect dog to prepare for a baby because he's so needy. He's like high maintenance, but he's so good and so snuggly and literally look, like he just does whatever I need him to do. He just does whatever Mama does. He'll always be Mama's first baby. Show the vlog. See, look, we're matching. We're matching. Oh, dang. See how cuddly he is? Oh my gosh, my pants are so linty. Let's go. First stop, Starbucks. Duh. Not being 40 degrees, but I'll take it. It's 10 degrees warmer than normal, so. I'm not made out for this. And you literally look like Mrs. Claus. I got layers. That's what I'm saying. Me too. I have double pants on. Like, I'm being a little dramatic, but like sit out there and you're gonna get freezer burn. You will get freezer burn.
Frostbite.
Frostbite.
Not freezer burn.
Yeah, frostbite. I wish I just got that on camera. The way I just paralleled this big old massive truck, like perfectly. I'm so impressed. Okay. Guys, did you just see that guy pass by? If I would have worn that Carhartt beanie and my flannel, we would have been twinning. Like, I almost wore this flannel with that Carhartt beanie. Thank God I did not. Anyways, the order I got today is not my norm at all, but I wanted to switch things up. This is the vegan strawberry overnight grains parfait. It's overnight grains, coconut milk, toasted coconut, and almond. Look, here's what it looks like. Be good. It like looks, the strawberries look delicious. Tea. Coffee and me, we're having a love-hate, okay? I have 1 coffee a day, which is good. I guess it's better for baby because there's way less caffeine in the teas than my normal espressos. Is this really my 3rd breakfast of the day? So, best friend, we killing them. This is giving me Trisha Paytas, but it's fine. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Healthy little on-the-go snack. Finally, just got done shooting my campaign in Walmart. That was so awkward because it is a Sunday and that place was packed. And I just had to tell myself, Carissa, you will never see these people ever again. So I was just in there, you know, doing my influencer thing, and I swear, like, the influencer thing isn't really big here. I feel like people look at me like I have 14 heads. I picked up these Gardein meals because Stan didn't text me back for what he wants for dinner, so guess what he's getting? A frozen skillet. But this tastes gore freaking bad. Like a Taco Bell. I do not need to get it though, but like I am pregnant. Yeah, I'm gonna get Taco Bell. That's my I just got Taco Bell laugh. Guys, it's been so long since I've had Taco Bell. I'm really trying to eat healthy and I just can't find myself eating that healthy anymore these. We're gonna get back on it like really good though. Very, very soon here, okay? Okay, Taco Bell order. This vlog has literally been nothing but like me eating. Black bean Crunchwrap Supreme, no cheese, no sour cream, add potatoes. I really need to enjoy the moment. I need to savor it. Like if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna enjoy it, you know? And with their fire sauce. My daughter has really done this to me. Like I've always loved food, don't get me wrong, but I'm an animal these days. Saving it for later. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm parked outside of where me and my mom got our massage at. And we're not from Iowa. We do not know where to go, so we just went based off of like reviews and stuff. And the place wasn't bad, it was just kind of like weird. I don't know what it is, but if I get a massage alone, I'm good to go. If I get a massage with like Sam or with anyone else, it puts me in a silly, goofy mood. So I went into the massage already like kind of laughing and stuff. Me and my mom got one in the same room. Please tell me if this is normal because I was like, this is freaking weird. She gave me like a full face massage. And at first I was like, but it felt good, so I'm not gonna complain. But then she starts massaging my temples, heading over to the ear, the lobe, the cartilage. Homegirl sticks her finger in my ear hole. And I was just like, this is not normal. And I wanted to burst out laughing, but I held it together. And I wore my hair in braids that day. I also got a head massage. I did not know what to expect. It said full body, that's what she meant. So she was like massaging my head and stuff, and I guess my braids were in the way, so she was like yanking on my braids, pulling my hair. And I'll insert this clip of me after I got my massage. I'm crying. She pulled my braids out. Okay, let's cue a little cleaning montage. Favorite way to clean, pretty much the only way I can clean is if I put a YouTube video on. Alright, what am I gonna watch? I'm gonna watch the McKnight twins decorate for Christmas with us. I have so much FOMO of everyone starting Christmas so early this year. Like, I literally, let me show you. I can't be held back, okay? I've done a little bit of shopping. I shouldn't say I am held back because this is very minimal. But I did do a little bit of shopping at Target and Hobby Lobby, but I could have done so much more damage. And that doesn't include the Christmas tree that I also bought. Okay guys, it's November 4th, and I told myself I'm not going to Christmas shop until December so I could get the content. But here I am, November 4th, buying stuff. Oh my goodness. It's cute. I got a S for Sam, a K for me, a paw for pickle, and an H for baby hainline. But I have so much FOMO because everyone is decorating early this year, and I'm over here waiting for KARISSMAS vlogs, so just know, in December you'll get my content, okay?
Hey babes, and welcome.
You guys! I need to pause that real quick because look at these squirrels. They're literally chasing each other. Bubba, want to see the squirrels? Come here, look. He loves watching the squirrels. Oh my gosh, it has corn! Squirrel out there with the corn is running away with the corn. I swear this squirrel, this one, has a whole cob of corn and it just ran away from that one, the bottom one. Look at this one, just sitting there. It's so funny because when I let Pickle out, he'll like charge after them and they don't back down. They puff their chest out at him. You see them, Bob? Ugh, we still have to take all those stickers off. It's been how long? Oh, by the way, I did my nails. Press-ons. What you think, Peck? Is it a vibe? I am so embarrassed. I have been back from Arizona for like going on what, like 2 weeks, 3 maybe? I don't even know. I've been here for a freaking long time and my suitcase is still not unpacked and not put away. It's getting done today. So it's been a couple hours. I have just been editing this entire time. Finish up cleaning. I'm gonna start dinner. I'm lighting the first Christmas candle of the season. Oh my gosh, it already smells so good. Guys, this is from Walmart. Maple praline. Such a cute candle. And you're basically done, but let's just finish you off here. Pumpkins had a fun run, but I'm done with them. So if you're looking for a super fast dinner, but you don't want to eat fast food, you still want to eat at home, I'm telling you, this is your meal. It's as easy and simple as putting it on the stove until it's done. This doesn't taste like 8 minutes. I would say for both bags, it takes like, yeah, 15, 20 minutes. And then FYI, crescent rolls, this brand, Pillsbury, vegan. So I like to throw some crescent rolls in the air fryer. They cook so good in there. Me and Sam are big bread people. We love our bread. Pop! Ooh. Ooh. What is that?
New toolbox. Yeah, I got a new toolbox.
Where is it gonna go?
You're fucking cool.
Just don't ask. Like, there's this thing me and Sam do. It's called the pickle voice. We talk as if we are our dog Pickle. Just don't ask. So I just added a few spices to it, and then I also put this dairy-free parm on top because this just gives it so much flavor. Mix it all together. The sauce is completely melted, and then we got the crescent rolls up in the air fryer. Stop being so cute. This is dinner. Easy, cheap, fast, frozen, tastes gourmet. From Target, Guardian, Skillet, Florentine, crescent rolls, plant butter. Sam puts jelly on his crescent rolls. Just doing the dang most. So it is the next day. Of course, I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna do that now. I love you guys times a millybillytrilly, and this will probably be the last vlog type of video before KARISSMAS. I definitely have other content coming, baby content, more videos until KARISSMAS, but last vlog. So get excited, the content is coming, and I'll see you guys next time.